Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update for Ethereum, we are trading at 1,345 cents, 24-hour volume, you're up 17%, and market cap, we are up 1.60%. So heading over to our chart here, we've got it set for a weekly chart. I'm going to go over our daily chart and then immediate short term for 4 hours. But taking a look so far on the week here, we can see that the body itself of the candlestick is essentially a spinning top candlestick, which does show some fight between the bulls and the bears itself. But notice how long the range of the candlestick is. It's pretty high at the very top and at the very bottom. So basically, the bulls and the bears are pretty equal at this moment. But what we can see on a weekly chart here is we retrace closer to our 23% of both our fibs here at 1253 for an area of support so far for this week. And then last week, an area of support at 1150. So these are going to be two key areas of the level of support. And our resistance is going to stay the same here at 38% at 1404. As we can see, the MACD indicator is getting smaller as these bars itself is getting smaller. And essentially, it's not going to help us in this bull run if we want to come up and retest our resistance line. Now, heading over to our daily chart here, we did highlight yesterday as 60 or the day before 61% of our fib at 1268 as the next resistance up or next support level, as we saw a few areas of our candlestick wicks retracing to this level. Now, notice again the range itself at the very bottom, which is this candlestick wick at the very top, was very, very heavy in the selling pressure as the previous day itself was ending in a roughly spinning top candlestick essentially, but we can see that the body was well below 50%, which drove the price itself in the next following day as low. And we can see that it did not hold this area of support, and roughly around the 61 to 78% of our fib, it retraced down to this level here. Now, as we can see so far in today's rally, we can see that the body is more than 50% of the actual range of the candlestick. So we do have a lot of buying pressure, which is essentially going to help us, especially when we take a look at the MACD indicator all in this green. If we're able to accomplish a bit bigger in the histogram for today, then it is going to come up and hopefully again retest our 20 moving average, as we can see that we have been rejected a few times here, and we are waiting for the RSI to give us that buying opportunity in hopes to come up and retest our 20 moving average. Now, heading over to immediate short term for 4 hours, we can already take a look here that we've skipped past our 20 moving average, which essentially is a change of the direction. Now, if we can visualize this here being the neckline at essentially where the price is right now at 1302, we can almost see a double bottom chart pattern. So here is our beautiful W, which essentially is a bull reversal chart pattern. So from this downtrend coming up in a bull trend, and it's really great to see too that we've broken above this trend line or this moving average of 20 and retesting our 50 moving average as well. So if we're able to close above this, then we can be able to have this really nice bull run from this neckline. And essentially the bull run itself, we are looking for 5% completion of this chart pattern to continue to skyrocket as high as we can. And this is pretty optimistic here because if you can see, I'm grabbing 5%, and 5% is roughly around 1300, 1368 here, and the price right now is at 13. So a gain of almost $50. And if you can see, it's already crossing a key indicator of this resistance line. So all essentially what we need to do in order to get that target is we need to close above our 50 moving average, which is this line here. And again, come up to our retest of this area of our fib at 1306. So $3 off. If we're able to accomplish that, then this bottom chart pattern is going to be on the run and hopefully hit our target at that line there. So far, what we can see observing on this candlestick's not too good. Right now, again, it is a shooting star candlestick, which we have the wick that's not quite as twice the size of the body. So we can almost have that checked off from the characteristic of this candlestick. But so far, again, if we can stay above the 50% of this previous candlestick here in a 4-hour time frame, then we can continue to come up and retest our next area of our fib and hopefully again close above it. We can see the MACD indicators in the green, which is essentially going to help us. If we do grow stronger in the momentum, then essentially we are going to be breaking this resistance line. So pretty exciting to see. Definitely watch this marker here at the 1306 and see if we can close above it. And of course, most importantly, over our 50 moving average. So that's my video update for Ethereum. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like the button. Also subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time.